Welcome to the inside of the Global Pizza Co. factory, where millions of delicious pizzas are made every day from scratch.
First, high-quality wheat flour is sifted and mixed with water, yeast, salt, and olive oil to create the perfect dough base.
The dough is kneaded mechanically for consistency, ensuring it's soft, elastic, and ready for rising in controlled environments.
In temperature-controlled rooms, the dough ferments for hours, developing flavor and texture under strict hygiene standards.
Next, fresh tomatoes are washed, peeled, and crushed into a vibrant sauce, seasoned with herbs and spices for that signature taste.
The sauce simmers in giant vats, blending flavors perfectly before being cooled and stored for assembly.
Next, fresh tomatoes are washed, peeled, and crushed into a vibrant sauce, seasoned with herbs and spices for that signature taste.
Cheese arrives in blocks, grated fresh on site, using high-speed shredders to maintain quality and freshness.
Toppings like pepperoni, vegetables, and mushrooms are sliced precisely by automated cutters for uniform distribution.
Now, the assembly line begins. Dough is flattened into perfect circles, using hydraulic presses for even thickness.
Workers apply a generous layer of tomato sauce, spreading it evenly with spinning tools for full coverage.
Shredded cheese is sprinkled next, melting potential locked in for that gooey pull we all love.
Toppings are added by robotic arms, customized per pizza type, ensuring variety and precision.
Quality control inspectors check each pizza for defects, maintaining our high standards before baking.
Into the massive tunnel ovens they go, baked at 500 degrees for a crispy crust and bubbly top.
The ovens use conveyor technology to bake evenly, with sensors monitoring temperature and time.
Fresh out of the oven, pizzas cool on racks, allowing flavors to set without sogginess. Automated slicers cut them into perfect portions, ready for packaging in eco-friendly boxes. Boxes are folded and labeled with nutritional info and our brand, ensuring traceability.
Pizzas are sealed in boxes, stacked, and prepared for freezing to preserve freshness.
In the freezing tunnels, rapid cooling locks in taste, making them ready for global distribution.
Quality assurance teams sample batches, testing for taste, texture, and safety compliance.
Sustainability is key. We recycle water, use solar power, and minimize waste in production.
Workers undergo regular training for hygiene and efficiency, keeping our factory top-notch.
Innovation drives us. New recipes are tested in R&D labs for future pizza varieties.
From farm to factory, our supply chain ensures ethical sourcing of all ingredients. Night shifts keep production 24/7, meeting demand for pizza lovers worldwide.
Maintenance crews service machines daily to prevent downtime and ensure smooth operations.
Export teams handle international shipping, with pizzas reaching stores in over 50 countries.
Consumer feedback shapes our process, leading to improvements like gluten-free options.
Let's zoom in on dough making. Precise measurements prevent any batch variations.
Sauce blending involves secret spices, guarded recipes passed down for decades.
Cheese grating produces fine shreds, optimized for even melting during baking.
Topping prep includes washing veggies multiple times for ultimate cleanliness.
Assembly requires speed. Lines move at 100 pizzas per minute during peak hours. Ovens are calibrated weekly, using advanced tech for perfect heat distribution.
Cooling phase uses air circulation to avoid condensation on the crust.
Packaging materials are biodegradable, reducing our environmental footprint.
Lab tests check for allergens, ensuring safe products for all consumers.
Solar panels power 40% of the factory, cutting energy costs significantly.
Employee wellness programs include breaks and ergonomic workstations.
R&D creates vegan cheeses, expanding our market to plant-based eaters.
Supply partners are audited yearly for sustainable farming practices.
Automation reduces errors, with AI overseeing production flows.
Night operations use LED lights for energy efficiency and safety.
Machine lubrication is food grade, preventing any contamination risks.
Global shipping uses refrigerated containers for freshness on arrival.
Feedback loops from apps help refine recipes based on trends.
Dough hydration levels are key to crust perfection, adjusted seasonally.
Sauce acidity is balanced with sugar for that tangy sweet profile.
Cheese aging rooms control humidity for optimal flavor development.
Topping variety includes seasonal specials, like fresh basil in summer.
Line speed ramps up during holidays to meet surge demands.
Oven exhaust systems capture heat for reuse in heating the building.
Cooling belts are sanitized hourly to maintain hygiene standards.
Slice counts vary by size, 8 for medium, 12 for large.
Box designs feature ventilation holes to prevent steam buildup.
Freezer tech uses blast chilling for rapid, even freezing. Waste from dough trims is repurposed into animal feed.
Staff rotations prevent fatigue, boosting overall productivity.
Staff rotations prevent fatigue, boosting overall productivity.
Prototype pizzas undergo consumer taste tests before launch.
Ethical sourcing means fair trade for olive oil and herbs.
AI predicts demand, optimizing production schedules daily.
Emergency drills ensure safety in this high-tech environment.
All right, let's move. Keep it moving to the stairwell.
Export compliance meets international food safety regulations.
Trend analysis incorporates global flavors like spicy Asian toppings.
Behind every pizza is a team dedicated to quality and innovation. The factory produces over 1 million pizzas weekly, feeding families everywhere. Thanks for joining this deep dive into pizza production magic.
Subscribe for more inside looks at fascinating factories around the world.
Until next time, keep craving that perfect slice. Goodbye.